Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, March 17th. Today, let's talk about and work with anger. Anger is an emotion that may consume you completely, causing you to act in ways that are harmful or unproductive. When anger arises, the mind can fall victim to harsh thoughts, judgments, and obsessions. By creating space and responding to your anger with compassionate awareness, you can build resiliency and adjust your anger response. This exercise offers a way to deal with anger, frustration, irritation when you are right in the midst of this experience. Of course, right now you may not be angry, and I hope you're not, but I'm sure we can all remember a situation when we were angry and see how these steps apply, so that when the non-imagined situation occurs, we are more prepared. And I'll put the steps of this practice in the Mindful Mornings private circle group so that you can save it if you'd like and try this exercise in real life whenever it's needed. And now, as always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural. And just notice how this natural breath flows through your body and how your body responds to it. Keep your eyes open and bring to mind a situation that evoked the feelings of anger in you. Of course, pick wisely. Maybe a case when you were just mildly angry and not something that will make you spiral back down into the pit of anger and rage for the rest of your day. So whatever you choose, try to remember it in as much detail as you can. The more you connect with the charged essence of the situation, the easier it'll be to go through the exercise we're about to do. And now close your eyes. Recognize that you are feeling anger, irritation, or frustration. And don't try to get rid of the feeling, or talk yourself out of it, or pretend it's not there. Simply acknowledge that it is present. Breathe deeply into the belly. Feel the chest and belly fill with air, and then exhale slowly. And when you exhale, make an effort to really empty the lungs. Breathe this way for the next few rounds. Once again, bring to mind the situation you chose for this practice, and as you tune into the rising anger in the mind, allow yourself to feel what is happening in the body. Notice the sensations that indicate anger. You may feel tension in the shoulders, shallow breathing, a pit in the stomach, or a number of other changes in the body, whatever it is for you. Tend to each of these experiences with a compassionate awareness. Recognize the tension by noting tension and staying with this experience for a few breaths. and then open your awareness and see what else is occurring in the body. I'll be silent for a while, allowing you to connect with your direct experience. Now switch to the awareness of the mind. Ask yourself what may be underneath the anger or what may be causing it. There may be a feeling of pain, betrayal, wanting to control something, or some perceived lack of safety. If you cannot find something at first, patiently wait to see if anything comes up. And when you do notice something underneath the anger, name it. If you find that you're hurt, just silently say to yourself, hurt. And maybe respond with a phrase of compassion. For example, may I learn to care about this pain. Again, I'll be silent for a minute or so. Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself, with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of this practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? It might be helpful to follow up this practice with some journaling. If you have time now or later in the day, write what you noticed in the body, what you found underneath the anger, and how it felt to try to respond with compassion. May I learn to care about this pain. Experiencing anger in our life is inevitable. And with such practices, we can learn to see it with more wisdom, more patience, over time. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.